How's it going, everyone? Whitman Barnes with Parker Offshore, and I'm on this brand new 247 Explorer. We're gonna show you around, show you some of the standard features, some of the optional features. Let's look around. Starting at the back of the boat, this boat is powered with twin 200 Yamahas. This boat can come with a 300, single 350, twin 150s, or twin 200s. With this twin 200 package, it's gonna put you in that 55-mile-an-hour range, cruising at about 35 miles an hour, running about 2.5 miles per gallon. Coming up here to the transom, we've set it up perfectly for all your fishing needs. We've got a large portside live well, got your 5 standard rod holders, and we've got this large fish box built in. And then coming over here to the starboard side, you've got a great walk-through access door leading to large cockpit. So in this cockpit, as you can see, you've got a ton of space. Moving around, fishing, all the stuff you need for leisure activities as well. Moving on to the port and starboard side, we've got twin fish boxes. Great for any of your catches. And then moving back, you've got a large hatch for your bilge. Access to all your pumps and your batteries. Also featured in this cockpit is this awesome fold-up rear seat. Great for seating if you need it. And if you're fishing or want it tucked away, nice and easy up against the back. We're moving over here. We've got this combing bolster here with this deco stitching in it. As you can see, it's got the Parker bow logo in it. Super premium feature that we offer as an option. And then we've got 4 rod holders on each side of the gunnel. Moving forward, we've got these 2 spreader lights back here, great for rigging at night. Got our Jim Lux outriggers, and this custom adventure rack fits any tool rack on it. It can fit your paddleboards, foil boards, anything you want up there. Also featured is our optional second station. Moving into the cabin, as you can see, big guy, plenty of room to move around in here, plenty tall for me. We've got these companion captain's chairs with the premium stitching in it. We've got our V-berth with storage underneath. Our head sits right there. And this boat has an optional air conditioner that keeps this place cool even in the hottest weather like the Florida Keys. Coming to our helm, we've got our 16-inch Garmin here. It comes standard with a 10-inch, but you can get up to a 16-inch. You've got your Yamaha digital gauge. You've got your wet sound speakers, your VHF. This one comes with a Seakeeper 450 ride system. In the sport cabin, it keeps you really, really stable, really flat. Great addition to this boat this year. We love the new addition with Seakeeper. You've got your Yamaha throttles. This boat has an optional power poles on it. We've got our standard compass in here. We've also got these windows. They can open and close. Keeps the air breeze going through if you want it. You got your windshield wipers on each side. So now you've got a completely closed cabin, nice and quiet in here if you want to run with the windows closed. As you can see, this cabin offers plenty of seating. You got your port and starboard captain's chairs, and your optional rear companion seat to keep everybody out of the elements. Going out of the cabin, we can close this door. It locks, keeping all of your belongings safe. Moving up to the bow, you can grab your handhold on your adventure rack. Moving forward, we've got our optional black oak light bar. We've got our bow rail here. It comes with a West Coast bow rail as well, which will raise it up about 4 inches. In our anchor locker, we offer a standard windlass, and you've got your pop-up cleats. Another great optional feature we offer is this Evercore flooring. It's a cork-based material. It's durable, great for fishing and family. This boat also offers a 2-tone hull with a boot stripe. So as you can see, this 24-foot boat with an LOA of 28 feet 9 inches and a fuel capacity of 140 gallons packs a big punch with single and twin applications. It's a great family and fishing boat. Go build your own, parkerboats.com.